There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what
Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Lesson today, how to change crosshair size in AutoCAD. It's so easy. Okay, let's go. OP, enter, click display. Okay, continue. Crosshair size, modify, input new value 90 and then apply. Okay, finish. Thank you so much. See you next video tutorial.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.